Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubakmi ikatana transport ubasngaw balang thar haga katway trik jiliu. Ulaplat yaka one-time settlement OTS scheme kabatmu ban ailat ikitry kali kamai ki bamsiu khoj yaki khajna bat ki kuna bayade berga jinglong jingman fitness ki kali. Habakren hagan ka program hamin secretariat building ubasngaw balang ulaong bayakan ka scheme na menjur daga kinhun menteri ban pensturi ki try kali bakin penkhut no I khajna ki lasa teng laslam. Hapo kaniga scheme ke sarkar kan map no haduk prapo persen ki khajna jong ke motor vehicles tax and goods tax but kandai po persen ki kuna bayade but ke fitness certificate na kebenta barok ki kali kamai na duk ki barid haduk ki bahe. Umintri ulaong bagi khajna ki balalang menta lakatu kat nisnam khlem da khajna duk kapor bagi mi kin la ban penbet hapo jong aniga scheme katkum ki buit rekam bala menjur da ka sarkar. Katkum ka jingkhen bala yo da katanan ki jingsiu ki badang sa barok kalong hadu 6,000 spa klur tingka kin thop kumba khandai spa klur tingka ka kuna bayadai bat ka fitness certificate. Katana transport kala ong bala dagi try kali ki penen kam yang ni ka scheme bat pendap ye ki jingsiu jongki ka sarkar kala banyo lum khajna kumba spa prapo hadu ar spa klur tingka. Ki jingte bala pen I haga jingalang ka kinhun menteri ki pen I ba hadu kumba rupusan ajar tali ki kali ki dang sateng ban siew ya ka khajna motor vehicle tax khat ar hajar rus pa sop ar tali ki day ki ba ya ka goods and passenger tax bat palat sanpu nyo hajar ki kali ki brang sateng ha ka baya day berkakuna fitness certificate. Kani ka OTS scheme kan Pyllait hadu kalai poetrik nailar arja punrio. Kumta na kalyang umintri ukintu ya barok kitray kali, kintop ikibay penyat drang bakinshim ya kanika kali, bat ban penkuit no khajna pasateng hapo kapor balabu. Ula banjur bahadian belakang no ya kanika scheme, la kami lenti bagi try kali kin siu bet manla kalai benai ne manla ubenai, kumbala betha kat kumi kendon kepala dan lupa. Ula benrab ru baka sarkar kamla ban penrung ki bakum ini scheme halor ki khajna manlau snam.
To nga galing ni kung sarkar nila kamta magaling nga ba ay kublay kerpang gi team joan po yung transport department ni officer. Hadin bingla de pas ya ka cabinet kini gisi balade kumingla pemnay kini one time settlement scheme nagmantaman waive of ya taxes of vehicle kumala brief hani po balade exactly ya bede berke motor vehicle taxes and good taxes kabalong din waive by proportions hag bede berke fitness kin waive by 90%. Mentaga sini long finally ke sistem kalau ready in place kena bagi baik ba jungi mentang like formally launching kamu duduk lah syai kelak man cemat ban siu no ek by court by Syllad ni kumingla pemenah kabel ini si belada all commercial vehicle big and small
kamu duduk kat luar senam ada pengusaha kan
no not from which year till date whatever dues has been there so they can come for and clear the dues as per the formula which has been structured by the government as per this one time settlement scheme which have been announced already. Roughly ke sarkar kala bandio kumbaduna ars paklur plus more or less namar baro ga dues set kumbingila calculate not exactly kala ban poi almost 1100 crore. So after we waive roughly we waive more than 800 crore. So kata government kanang yo revenue try kala menduna kai kumbars paklur maybe 180 170 crore more or less. Kade ke jingarap revenue jong government ban haju ke poro kade relief ba igi cost margin can you try kali kampa. You see that is very good question. I would like to make sure and request to my officer and to all the truck owner after they finish this one time scheme so from next phases or from next quarter I request them to come regularly so that we will no more big dues like how it happened for the last 2 years. You see, you mean how it come? So we have been collecting from all data from those vehicle which has not been paid. Maybe there is a certain vehicle from the motor vehicle tax this much of vehicle, from the good passenger this much of vehicle, from the fishes this much of 1,000 of vehicle are there. So roughly it come to almost 1100 crore dues. So after we waive all this, so we'll be getting a revenue. If all of them are coming forward, we may gain around 180 to 200 crores. Loss, you know, from 1100 crore more or less, so if it is not a loss, actually, mainly all these compounds mainly is finally.
1100 crore.
Mainly is from fitness. Only from the fitness mean penalty almost 900 crore. For example, like the data with me here also from motor vehicle taxes, almost 65,000 approximately, and from good passenger tax over 12,642, and for penalties, which is for fitness certificate, is more than 57,000 vehicle. It's huge number. That's why the amounts have come very huge. As of now, one time till August 31st.
After that,
And after that,
Regular, they have to come forward regular payment quarterly or monthly. We request them, and they should come also. We cannot give a scheme every year, no.